Good morning. I am Alicia Denton, and this is Alton Holstein. We are both undergraduate students at Purdue University, and we were blessed with the opportunity to serve as the Survivability Interns this past summer. So we're excited to share with you a little bit about our project, where we looked at the effects of heat lamp placement on piglet survivability to weaning.
So our study included 1,053 piglets from 87 litters farrowing between March and July of 2021. Our study was a 2x2 factorial looking at the placement of the heat lamp throughout the farrowing process and where the piglet was located in the farrowing crate. Our sows were blocked by parity and assigned one of 4 treatments. Treatment 1, where we had the heat lamp placed at the udder and the piglet was placed at the udder. Treatment 2, we placed the heat lamp at the back of the sow and the piglet was placed at the udder. Treatment 3, the heat lamp plate was placed at the udder and piglet was placed at the vulva. And treatment 4, the heat lamp was placed at the back and piglet was placed at the vulva.
I know those treatments can get a little bit confusing. So at birth, we collected each piglet's body weight as well as their rectal temperature. And then we assessed each piglet on the level of meconium staining, their umbilical cord integrity, as well as identified each piglet with a number on their back. We did not completely dry off the piglets at birth. We only dried a small portion of their back using a paper towel, so we were able to label them with a number. We then collected rectal temperature at 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 24 hours after birth. And we collected body weight at 24 hours after birth as well as weekly throughout the lactation. We also recorded mortality as well as the reasoning throughout lactation.
So our data analysis was performed 3 ways. First, we evaluated the impact of all 4 treatments. Then we evaluated the impact of heat lamp placement and piglet placement separately. Overall, in 30 minutes, each treatment had a decrease in piglet temperature and no additional differences were observed beyond that. But there was a tendency for treatment 3, where the heat lamp was placed at the udder and piglet was placed at the vulva, to have an overall lower 30-minute body temperature compared to the other treatments. This was caused by the placement at the vulva instead of the heat lamp location.
So this is a table of the results, including body temperature, suckling behavior, colostrum intake, growth, and mortality. Our p-values were assessed with all 4 treatments included in one, as well as piglet placement and heat lamp location separately. Piglets that were placed at the udder after birth they approached the udder faster than piglets that were placed at the vulva, as you would expect. Piglets placed at the udder also suckled sooner than piglets placed at the vulva, regardless of the location of the heat lamp. We also,
Overall, placing newborn piglets at the udder increased the body temperature at 30 minutes after birth and decreased the time to first suckle regardless of location of the heat lamp. We would like to thank the postdoc organizing this trial, Dr. Ari Suarez-Trujillo, many undergraduate statisticians with many hours of data collection, the Survivability Grant scientists, sponsors, and internship, and Indiana Port for partial sponsorship.